Tropical rainforests certainly have a value to people and their environment, especially the Amazon, for several reasons. 80% of the developed world's diet comes from the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen supply. 25% of active ingredients in cancer-fighting drugs are found in the rainforest. 1/5 of the world's fresh water is in the Amazon basin. As well as this, you need to know that there are 4 main ways we can decrease deforestation. Selective logging and replanting. Trees are only felled when they reach a particular height. This allows young trees a guaranteed lifespan, and the forest will regain full maturity after around 30 to 50 years. Although the disadvantage to this is that other trees may be unintentionally affected as the other is felled. Conservation and education. Education. Ensuring those involved in the exploitation and management of the rainforest understand the consequences behind their actions to reduce the amount of trees felled. This more effectively works with consumers in developed areas, as for example, the Rainforest Alliance logo on products informs educated people that it can combat deforestation. Conservation. 44% of the Amazon is now protected in forms of national parks or protected areas. Ecotourism. Responsible travel to natural areas that conserves the environment, sustains the well-being of the local people, and may involve education. It is usually carried out in small groups and has minimal impact on the local ecosystem. It is done so that part of the funds from it can go into the protection or restoration of the Amazon. And lastly, international agreements about the use of tropical hardwoods and debt reduction. For example, the 2006 International Tropical Timber Agreement on Hardwoods was made to promote the sustainable trade of hardwoods. 71 countries have signed up to this. In 1984, the World Wildlife Fund came up with the idea of conservation swaps, and in 1987, the first was launched in partnership with the government of Bolivia and Conservation International for $650,000, which protected 3 natural areas. Countries like Sudan and the Philippines have followed since too.